This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the steering column and pull the bonnet release handle. Push the safety catch to one side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. The air filter housing is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Release the clamps and remove the air intake duct. Undo the 4 screws and remove the air filter cover. Lift out the filter element. Remove the foam filter from the crankcase ventilation inlet and clean it. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Slide the foam filter into place. Maneuver the new filter element into position with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the filter cover and tighten the screws securely. Reconnect the air intake duct and secure the clamps. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.